Now that you've signed up for your Hootsuite account, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard to locate the most important features, including audience engagement, publishing, and analytics. If you'd like to learn more, remember that you can always access our educational content at hootsuite.com/education. Anything you want to do in Hootsuite can be found in either the header or the sidebar, with the main workspace in the center. The sidebar is where you can access core Hootsuite functionality like streams, publisher, analytics, and the app directory. The header is where you'll find the message composer, quick search, and your account settings. Before you can unlock the power of Hootsuite, you'll need to connect your social media accounts. To do this, simply click your profile picture, manage social networks, then add either personal or organizational accounts. Accounts can also be removed in this area. Scheduling and publishing messages is one of the most popular uses of Hootsuite. Click New Post to access the Hootsuite Composer, where you can write your message, shorten links, attach visuals, schedule a publishing time, and select the networks you want your message sent to. You'll also get a per-network preview of your posts to ensure they're perfect before publishing. Once you've scheduled a post, visit the publisher to review your content. Here, you can filter by profile and view your scheduled, past scheduled, and drafted posts. You can also edit or delete scheduled posts. Clicking on the Stream view in the sidebar is where you can monitor what's being said across all your social channels. Ensure you're not missing important conversations by adding multiple streams for each social network. As the number of streams grow, they can be organized into tabs. Within individual streams, engaging with your audience is easy through retweeting, liking, commenting, and messaging options. If you're curious how the content you're posting is being received, click into the Analytics section in the sidebar. While this area looks and behaves differently depending on the type of account you have, all accounts can view overview reports on things like followers, post metrics, and engagement.